What now, Elder?
Yeah, man.
You good?
Yeah, man.
Now hear about public report, man.
Yeah, man.
Music them beat hot, man.
Yeah, sir.
Music them beat right now all week, man. And woman I say, yo, you bad too, man.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah,
Just
man.
me I go on while I mess with me ganja, you know.
I know I say run safe or it's a good thing on the man by one ganja and say, you know.
Yeah, man.
So you go do it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I go and say, here.
It's a 40, man.
Alright.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, man.
It's my big brother.
But see what you are there, man.
Me want check. You good though?
Just stay out there, go on while I mess with me.
Big up. Big brother, oh, go on.
Boy, where are the boy? If you touch, boy, stop touching damn. I think this is a toy, man.
If you teach me, you know how long more I learn it.
When you reach of age, you learn to do them. Say, this is a big man's toy. This is not a picnic toy.
So you should pull up his out.
Boy, don't make me have to mash up my face in the end. Where mommy there? Go along to mommy now, man. Where you come over here for? Sure.
Mommy!
Wow,
No big brother.
how are you here?
You know some love the music. Every time I go over there, they teach me, me ever turn me back or send me one. I not like that style.
You notice that the two have two different ways. Two is same mother but different father and you people can take off. Full of corruption. But don't worry yourself. Me have one friend who do music. Me go talk to him about you and make him go over there and he teach you.
I go over there now.
Not now. Me have to talk to him first.
Alright.
Okay. You look like you're alright. You have to food already?
Me talk for a long time.
So when make your face look so I think more you look in here.
No, a big brother.
Get up and go tidy the place. You don't do nothing. You just left everything for me and they chat about big brother, big brother. You don't see him big and lazy. Because you get big now, and you still want to slave me out. You're big enough where you can go tidy up your room, man. Go and go tidy up your room. All you do is nyam and tell me about your bigger brother. You're not happy following, you're not happy stay so. Don't follow your bigger brother. And dirty pooper and take off of it. Make sure it's not me. Go and clean up your room. Turn up a look for me. I see me, I want to now. You look like you really want to see me now. But me have nothing more to give you for the rest of the evening. Go and clean up your room. I'm not too big and crazy man and lazy. Come on.
Mommy. I want to check my friend up the road and come here.
What going on now?
I pray me, Jana.
You good?
Yeah, man, me there,
How
man.
you big Mr. Go, man?
Pay your food, me right, me, Jana. Pay your
Boy,
food
fine,
over
no.
Corona.
Boy, for a dumpling can't full up, say, you have to eat about 10 a day, man.
It's easy, now. Where the pants?
Where the pan?
For music thing, me come for access or more things about. Cause me I tell you, I'm really interested in that. Me I follow it up in the car. I know any bad song then drop out now, you know. So you say you know, no link, no big link where you can give me.
Hey, what you say? Ready for it?
Ready.
Can't tell you on a studio there now. I'm tell you say, yo, dog can't make it. You know.
Which part? Which part?
Alright, come tell you, you know, Stole Love down there, so man.
Yeah, yeah.
Down a Stole Love shop, man. Yeah, man. And then we just down there say, dog, you know. Billy music thing gonna foreign and I tour my tour around the place, you know, man.
So when I can go down there?
Right now, man, if you're ready.
I'm look at, I'm sure you're happy. You know some my brother, him man a move like some little beat, some little punk. You don't know say man know all I links them, you know. But me can get big in a music thing, you know, and him man a move selfish. Me say me and him my brother. Him man come like say him alone want eat off a big old cake where music can give. Him man not showing little brother no farmer support.
So I don't know all you or yeah, my family in a help you. So what? You can't agree sometime?
None at all. You see the brother there? I show my blood brother, you know. Yo, listen, we can't fall go down there now.
Right now, man, come on.
Come in, you know.
Bonago.
Sister, what?
No, no, Bonago.
You're going to a producer shop with my friend.
Alright.
This is Puppy Dan. Puppy Dan meet my sister.
Alright.
Alright.
Hey boy, where you go?
I'm afraid I'll go down there.
Come here, come here.
Say I do the little man, sir.
Boy, stop it now.
Yo.
Come here.
Easy, man. Oi. You man.
Come on, man.
Man, say, oi.
Stop it now, man.
Man,
Go in
say,
the
yo.
yard, man.
Yo, you man, say,
Go in
man,
there.
say, man, artist.
Go in
Man,
there.
man.
Go in the yard,
Yo, make
boy.
him man
Oh,
get
me
a
know
bus.
what's
Yo,
up.
move now.
Yo,
Boy,
yo.
go in the house, boy.
You man want, yo, you know, say, watch your girl, so like how you watching. Watch your girl, man.
Hey boy.
Remember, so when the man reaching out, better so you not go send the man out there, better. Better send the man reaching and go on drive the man Benz, alright. Pop it on, look come over country.
Daddy,
What problem?
you know what's me up here do? I mean, get the camera and story I talk to me about other day though. You serious where did you say?
What story that again? Remind me. What problem?
Alright then, about the music and farming. Before you even say nothing, let I ask you. Daddy, me feel say me is the first person to turn DJ in this family, you know.
You see, in a them a time of day, yeah? The time when they go on, you know. If you want to be a DJ, and you don't have nothing sensible to sing about, it don't make no sense. What they go on nowadays is them a DJ. Some of them they behind bar. Farming is better, our doctor is better, our lawyer is better. I won't even tell them to be a police. But soldier is even better too. So when you want about DJ, if you don't have good management, you'll end up behind bar. So you know what you want. And the type of song that we hear you hum up there, it's not a good song to fit in here. So come better.
Daddy, alright then, you see true you never hear one conscious song, me I'll give you one. You want to hear it?
Do your thing.
Alright, this struggle is real, but
Yeah.
me still try it.
Holy machine, yeah?
You see, before I hold the machine, I want to ask you a question. Here, I'm going to hold the machine. How you love the farming? How?
How me love the farming?
What inspire you to love the farming?
This is when time I take up your mother and I realize that I'm not going to be a doctor, I'm not going to be a police nor a lawyer because of her. I put on my dreams and I build up her. You see, she become a doctor, she left me because I drop my dreams to fear her dreams. I just stick to the farming because the farming is easy.
Alright, Daddy, me not going to drop my dream because of you. Me I drop my dream because of me. Because you drop your dream because of woman. You understand?
You come, you're too rain. Come. Hurry up, because I want to start farm.
Your man is out there, you know. You see, you are my father. They say honor your father and your days will be longer.
Come, because you're in a job.
Let me chop it, the bush.
But you want DJ. DJ come with money, farming come with just plant little seed. How that? May I come, mommy. Mommy, may I come then? Mommy, me not buy no clothes, may I come?
Why you take so long to open the book? Hey boy,
Mommy, me just bed.
that way you put on so and where you have what we never see.
Mommy, you know me a big man now. You can't see them as sitting here now. We bigger than you.
Hey, come from the world, boy. Open the door. Where you hide from me? Open the door, man.
Mommy, where you be? Where's the room?
Why you not smell so? Leave the door. I don't want my place make it make fresh air come in. Why you not smell like this? You did that smoke in here?
No, my shoes cheesy. I'm just spirit. My shoes, mommy.
So your shoes smell like a smoke?
It wet up. When they go river and it wet
So
up.
put it outside then. Me come to talk to you. Sit down. Because when you don't reach certain age, you don't feel the parents don't fit talk to you again and so you go.
Mommy, where is it, mommy?
Me need you to deal with your smaller brother better than that. Why you have to deal with your brother so?
Mommy, how me I deal with him?
You deal with him like you and him and nothing. And a matter of fact, even if you and him are never nothing, you're supposed to deal with people picnic
Mommy.
better than that.
Mommy, puppy done want walk up and down pan road and with friend and I go all about, mommy. And me never used to do them sit down me a little.
Oi. Hold on for that part there. True you're big now, you never used to do it. All the way. We used to run up and down, do bad things until we reach the age. We understand and know, so what we used to do when we smaller, we're not supposed to do it now we big. You understand? So a bigger one teach a smaller one, but how you are teach your brother? And so you go. A matter of fact, if me never tell you before, you used to behave worse than your brother. So you should have be the one who they protect him with a pan road or in the home or anywhere, school, anywhere. I say you go on with him pan road, how much people see me out the road and they complain to me how him bigger brother they deal with him so and they lick him pan road and I push him down.
Mommy, I lied. Me never lick him pan road. Me
don't
never lick him pan.
understand.
Mommy, you need to talk to him and you make him a behave so. Puppy that lick it put in here. If you behave like him and if you acting age man. And stop, because when you walk with friend, you're getting yourself in a trouble.
Well, that's true. But now you big and understand and he's smaller than you. You need to deal with the situation more better than that. Me not come for in no argument with you through you're bigger than him. You know. Me just want you to show your brother some love. And make him understand life. I bet say if you deal with him more soft and make him understand what you say, the two
Mommy,
of you will get along.
If me deal
And
with
if
him,
me could not can agree.
mommy, if me deal with him soft, he will act like a girl. Look what me there. So me there, so I do.
No,
I
me not
edit.
mean girlish
So me
thing.
there, so I do edit me after edit to try and make a piece of money. You see me?
Say thank God you reach the age where you can come do something. Well, teach for your brother now. Just teach him and make him
Mommy,
come
you
to...
don't want to learn. The boy want to turn artist, mommy. Artist, he want to go turn.
Oh, hold on, Panny. A reggae put Jamaica on top. What you mean you want to go to
And a
artist?
reggae artist, he want to turn though.
How do artist? It better you went on artist. How do you? Right now, me wish me could have sing. Or DJ. No bother with it when you come talk about artists. Careful of where they talk, say boy. Because if you know how much artists right now in a better position than me and you. Tappy, when they talk there something there, be careful. You hear what me say? Because now some me grown now.
So mommy, I really this come over here.
Yes, because me no want hear say two on no. Brother they fight brother. The two on they pan road in an argument all
Mommy,
the
Puppy
while.
Dan can't fight me. I box him.
That's why you feel leave him alone. Don't lick him if I not talk the talk.
Alright, you know what? Me nah go say nothing to him again.
No, me never said that. Are your smaller brother? You are a bigger one.
So what me do?
You have to talk to him. But how you they do it? You kill him.
Him and a girl.
You man no girl will deal with him like he age. You dey deal with him like him a big man. You and him a no size. And if he hear what you say as a bigger brother. But me not like how you dey deal with him, man. And you tell me say me make him stay so. Because me no want him to come turn to Fenke. Me want him come out to something good in life.
You see, if daddy did there, he couldn't do that. He couldn't do that.
Shut up your mouth. And me no want hear about no dirty pooper. Me no want hear about your dirty pooper. Because if and not even you, the two of you pooper when turn up and support the two of you, we would not live them a type of life, yeah. You know see? If God never helped me to go around and wash people dirty clothes for me send you to school, you would have come to edit. If I lick you, see boy, your feet say too because you reach. How much you ear roll now? You reach a age. So me want to lick you down, you try how you talk. No, try no you talk to me boy. How man as you think I lick a girl them at the road you talk to? Remember say me is your mother. You understand me? And be careful how you deal with your mother. Because some of you know, when you know deal with no parent certain type of way, I see you no can deal with no woman. So you treat your mother nice, and when you come and have for your woman, although me know you have for your girl them all over the place, you better make sure you treat them good enough. Because if you breed none of them and left them,
Mommy, I want
me not take up your responsibility.
I want
me one way have to turn up to the two and you know. Me gone. Me no come for no argument with you, no, but me come to tell you to deal with your brother in the right way and try not making him hungry. If me know the wrong, no anything I have share between the two and you. You want me say show love to him, and he need to show you love, and me go talk to him too. Cause me realize say him want little secret out of the one to you know. Me gone, cause me have so much to go. No one you say your brother, you know war. And love, you know if you say love don't live like the rest. Right. Me glad me see you. Me did go and check you over your yard, that's why you know. But me did go to the road first.
Oh.
So me glad me see you, girl. Me not even bother want to go for a minute ago. But long story short, you know my son, the smaller one.
Yeah.
Okay. A big artist, you know. Girl, sometime me in the bathroom, I hear him round the back. When he not sing him a DJ, girl him bad. Me I tell us, say me can see. Said that little boy going to come out to something good in real life. A real artist. And he no boss yet. But me know say, you're a good producer.
Now I make a next step with him.
Different level me want him pan right now. And I'm the first woman producer me see. You understand? And I know say you're going good because me enough artists that talk about you, you know, whole heap of artists that talk about you, or you're good like that. And you treat your artists, them will work with you good. Some would like you. You know, if I'm putting in something for my son.
Oh, yeah man, me deal with the man. Remember say we are neighbor and I can get home to you.
Alright.
That.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man,
So me I go talk to him and tell him say me talk to you about it already.
Yeah man, tell him.
I mean knowing good like that.
Well, for you saying good, but me find out that.
Yeah man, you will put him on the pass line.
Man, what tell you?
Higher level, cause me see it say this boy ain't going to come out to something good and me proud of him already. So can you imagine when he boss?
Man.
God almighty, me
Or
and my
yourself, can the man,
two
we got
sons, them
this.
are going to live life. I'm your friend for a long time, you know. And you're a producer again, you're going to be my son producer. Then you can talk to me.
Man, Candy, man, I got you guys,
Yeah,
alright?
man. Alright,
Just bring
cool.
him to me.
Thank you.
Alright, Miguel.
Where do you do so, man?
Oh, I know say a family me have round a door. Just they are going right to song, you know. Because I take the music thing serious.
Alright, do that thing then, man. My family run a clean, man. See I heard them, is it? Oh, see I heard.
Place get robbed. The place get robbed. Puppy Dan, yes, the same place get robbed.
What you talk about?
Candy!
Candy na there.
Alright. See, I stay with me for here. Candy.
Umusta sa second.
So I see a friend which come by. So, she did expect me to. She probably gonna tell her to get something to come back.
Alright, then I'm interested.
Alright.
Hello? Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, how can I help you?
Yeah, man, I want to speak to you for a minute, man.
Come inside.
No, I don't think I need to come inside. I need you to come to me.
What is the problem?
Yes, ma'am. Are you Puppy Dan's mother?
Yes.
There has been a robbery around the road there. And your son Puppy Dan was in the same place. And a little boy clearly said that Puppy Dan. He said Puppy Dan. So the name was here, somebody calling Puppy Dan. You understand me? So I have no choice but to come and maybe arrest him. He has to have this investigation done this way. Because if the big boys come down here, so, you know, it won't be jiggy. You understand me?
You can answer one question?
Ask any question. You have a right.
Why? My son name call and you believe say involved in our murder so?
Listen to me, man. You see, when you're hungry, where you go? No cook shop. So when things go wrong, who you think they call? Me, the police. You understand me? So it's not a question I'm asking you. I am trying to get certain stuff done. And if you want it to do the hard way, it can get done the hard way. If you want things to go the easy way, it can go the easy way. So guess what now? You see, if them big boy they hold him, you know, better me deal with it, you know. Because them boy they not making living, you know. You understand that? A dog eating supper, a funeral, yellow tape, and all these things. Your choice.
Officer, my son is not here. And if my son did the here, I wouldn't just give you my son just like that. Figure lock up in a way. Jail, and you, of all person, where they tell me this and tell me that you don't even know if I chew the little pin letter, so you come to lock up my son. Well, him gone from day before yesterday and he now come back and no police now get my son to go put in a no jail. If you ain't not guilty of, because none of you can prove you here say that. And if you not ready to deal with the hard way, me ready to, cause we have a liar.
If you're harboring a fugitive, or if you are stopping the police from doing their work effectively, miss. You understand? Because sun hot out the road there, you know, and them not have no talk. You see how far me come? I want you to understand that I was here doing this investigation professionally. And under no circumstances will you blame me for not doing my job. Alright? So you can talk all you want to talk. When them dog the bark, a funeral spark. Any way possible is your choice. So you decide what you want to do. The law is the law and you will abide by the law. Because I am a part of the law. You understand me? Have a safe day, wonderful day, think it.
Don't talk to me. Chat to me, liar.
You don't worry about that. Alright? Have a good day. Let go go to some AC, government vehicle.
Yes. You saw me tell about, mommy? You saw me tell about?
What you tell me, say?
Tell us say music why boy take up in a mommy it leading down the wrong path.
Go back in your room. You say if you don't come out if you say nothing to me sensible.
Mommy, me never make police come here to you yet. And look why boy, lily boy I do. I make police come here to you. Eh?
So
what kind of tell him there?
I fear brother, so you believe what police can say about him. Not even the police can prove if he
Mommy,
involved.
the company why I keep no good. The company why I keep no good, mommy.
You know say you don't like your brother.
What do you mean I don't like your brother?
Every minute you hear somebody say something about your brother, you put your mouth on him and say yes I saw you go, so you go, so you go. You not even try to find out and see if I saw you go.
So if you try to keep him out of foolishness, I like me not like him.
So why you always put your mouth on your brother? Everything people say
Mommy, me don't put my mouth on man.
You know say you always a fast in a people business. You turn in your room and hear me and the police out of the chat. You hear the conversation properly, you come out here and jump down on your brother.
Me not jump down on no man because I don't love man. But hear me I say, the company
I realize say you start now no manners, but the policeman look like him not even certain of what I say. You not sure, me not sure. Me not know if he in there, the policeman not know if he involved in it.
Alright.
You come now and tell me say
alright,
this and that and company.
Continue spoil him.
I spoil him. You don't believe what I say and you can't prove it.
I choose like police, me not come out here, you know.
But me glad you not come out here because if you come out here look like you have seen your brother at prison. Go along in back in your room, me never call you and ask you nothing, you know where you come out here so I come fast.
You always a pick up for him.
No, but you can't prove it.
Are you making it done, so? Are you making it done, so?
You yourself.
You make it
Thank God you come out good. You dey pray bad for your brother.
Me not pray no bad for him. Me not pray no bad for him, but are you making it done, so you not talk to him?
You not sure. Me not sure, and the policeman not sure if he involved in a wedding. Tell him say
enough time people can tell me say he in a things.
And you believe?
I mean I tell you because me know how you turn. You go spoil him and you are bringing down the part there.
As big as you is, you look like you're jealous of your brother because he want an entertainer. Everything with a big artist. A big artist my son a go be. Big artist. He a go boss. Big entertainer all over the world. International. Worldwide. Go on in.
I want to say nothing to you
about your artist. Time to argue with you.
I won't say nothing to you about your artist son again.
Go on in, man. You love argument too much.
I won't say nothing to you about your artist son again. But Mark up. I don't dial them up. You're going to pick him up one day.
When you try to build up your brother, you pull him down. You come like a pig.
Oh, me I pull him down.
Me no want you nothing from you.
You see you, man. You see you. Jesus Christ.
Morning, Wagwan.
Morning. Come sit down now.
Thanks. You know, say, yesterday I come over here and one man and bike man did ride up come ask me and I tell him say no there.
One bike man?
Yeah, one dark skinny youth.
I could have heard that now.
Ride one bike man. You know what, I always not there with them green.
One tall youth?
Yeah.
Kind of have an idea who. But when you say?
Him just say I expect him and him go come back. Or if you tell you say him will link you back.
You know, give no number or nothing for call her. Alright. Feel me call him.
You say I expect him. You know what say, me I go down the road go buy something and come back.
Alright, let's come on then.
Alright, later.
Yeah man. Alright, hold on.
Yeah. Second.
Listen now. Hello.
Hey Lizzie.
Wagwan. I know, so me just get ready to go up on the road though.
You know, say from when my mom promised you one thing for a long time, they call you.
Oh, where you say forward then?
Yeah, man, you can't call link me, man, if you're not busy.
You over there?
I'm home. Me there home, man.
Alright.
Alright, me there.
Let's go over this and come back. Hey, me reach, you know. Luna. And listen, man, open the door. You're going to know my voice. Yeah. Let me come wrong time.
No, man, it's the right time, man, the right time. Oh, it's you!
But after you call me and then you take so long to let me in. Me go back in, man. My business is like about in you.
I should be just
Wagwan!
Wagwan! Come in!
Heavy, man.
Yeah, man.
How did you do?
My hand kind of, I saw him edit, me there edit, man. Me there edit.
Careful, you know. So, Wagwan.
There, man. Walking there, good? So, yeah, go on the door.
Now, one other thing. Just ready to go up on the road and you shout me, so I say, I hear why I pray. You thick boy, man, how you over here, so watch out. No, son.
You know when I do that, what happen, you know what happen.
You go on. Never again.
I'm glad to see you though. What do you mean can't go there so? What do you mean all fire tick easy to catch?
No, this is a fire tick. So when you're hard to catch, you have to use curse and all these things to catch this one.
You know me a gasoline, right? You come back, you know.
No, sir. You can't manage. You know, so let me a sudden call you can't so say no. I must want 300,000 you call me because I know your thing to come down say no.
Because I cannot even grow up at the backside. When we get 300,000 from.
You
see how both those me still live in there. Eh? Easy, man.
Look how much people live in a boardhouse and have money.
Well.
Not general no, no one nobody knows so have money and so no stay in a boardhouse the man no want upgrade. But I know you can more than upgrade.
You see me not even can buy a phone much less upgrade. I have my phone mash up. I need one iPhone 13 them right now. And I can't buy it.
The time you ever full of excuse. You're general man, you go on here. No say you can more than upgrade and you no want upgrade.
I don't know general man, just cut out the foolishness man. Anyways, are you my call over here just
why full 100 by the way?
Me water down here now you see me always did I full my tank.
And you choke me. But you outsider. After you just call me son, so I go about my business by the way. And you just call me son, so I know you're tembo.
Listen, there's a big gap between us, you know. There's a big gap between us for one to fill. So stop it.
Outside now go fill. So me tell you say me mention one portion of money in your account. You just dead, so like you know want to give me a tembo, you're poor, right?
Money is not the problem, you know. And it shouldn't even be money should never be even the reason you come over here, you know, Lizzie. How far you come from, you know. Me know you from before you even start producing, you know. At the front end time they me in your belly, you know. Eh? You can't deal with me, so. Come on, man. You know say nothing now going on now, but you know that bad for you deal with me, so.
And in the time I'm me, you're sorry for man. A man lie, a man a wicked.
Listen.
Me tell you something, see if you talk business, you can't talk to me. Remember now, me have brains. Some no one feel like a combo story.
Me don't mind take some bread for you right now.
But Jesus, listen to me. So you always come down, you know. You know, say Pierre man that link me the other day. Want me to produce your brother. So why you not help him out?
Mommy link you and I want you to do that?
Yeah, she pressed me say insist on talent in him and baking. So me decide some that you know say a simple thing that for me.
Mommy really call you and tell them something, eh? There's a reason, listen now. There's a reason why me not even make my little brother go in the music, you know. Because me don't want him go there so. Why you can't go say I go do something for get some surfing ticket and something. Me done in the music already and it not work out for me. It not really go on. And you see me don't want him go down the lane there.
Because dog not really have the same luck still. But come to think of it, why you really don't want to help him and why you really don't want to push this further? I hope I'm not bad man, you're a bad man, you know.
Listen, come on, really bad mind? Why me damn bad mind my little brother? We just no want him go down the road there. when them go down the road, the first thing them start think about a gun and all these things and sing nothing for uplift nothing again. I be a chopper this, chopper lord, this tap guzzle man this, Gaza man that and them. You see me, no make no sense. You know, if them are sing some righteous music, me I tell me say, made some righteous then next thing a badness in start party friend start do this and me can't I'm a little brother, I'm love him, me can't do that. Cannot do it.
Anything else is
But
still?
too much of that man, because I know me so enough when I come call about them sitting there. Before you call and tell us if you come give me one little baby, I know you tell me foolishness.
You want little baby, you just tell me say you can upgrade from this house and now you want baby to put me away.
That
What do you think me an idiot? You
Well,
think me a Yamabella?
easy yourself man.
Watch it man, you can't scare me, you can't
Come
get
on
me.
man. Come on.
Relax yourself, look how you sweat. How you really in here do earlier though? Yo, you see you. Yo, you're jamming.
You know what you would think about though? I was thinking about you, you
Think
know.
about me.
Eh?
Nothing about me.
Yo, you always in my mind, Liz. Come on.
You good man, me I come go here now cause me still have a mission to go crush me. I go on the road deal with something.
Alright, my whole lot fresh and all too, so.
You still not hear me say you can't palm me no man?
What you know? You know say some money to come over in my account. But through the bank until the weekend and I come over till Monday, so I want a different 2 weeks that before you come over, so me send you come here man, simple thing. Are you that there?
Yeah man, I mean,
Sexy.
Call me here.
Hope your man there know little problem with it, you know.
No problem at all.
Alright.
Hey, say, you don't never have to do that. Rest man, relax man. Go home.
It was once mine. It was mine.
What?
I love you again. I love you.
Good night.
Good night. Puppy Dan, where they come from?
My grandmother.
Your grandmother? You sure you say you run your grandmother?
Yeah, around my grandmother, me did it.
What kind of trouble you put yourself in? Because police come on me yard, you know, and they ask me for my son. Like me if you just take out my son, if you did even there again, just so I don't know why problem. The policeman tell me say you're in a serious problem. Because some pitney tell him say, some problem happen and you involved in a hit. And other man involved in a hit too. So what is the problem? Where you involved in a? Me not understand. A trouble you want to come put me in a? Puppy Dan, you want me to dead before time?
Mommy, me say police a look for me, you know, but me don't know why, because I don't do nothing at all.
Puppy Dan,
Yes, sir.
make sure say you no lie they tell me, you know, because me no grow uno so you know. You see your big brother? You see him come up and calm. Me no understand how him deal with a certain type of way, but maybe a different them way I keep. But me talk to him. Me warn him, me tell him to treat you better. But
You
this...
know what good for me.
Eh?
You know what good for me.
You know what no good for you? Me don't talk to him already, so me didn't go change. Another topic. The policeman tell me say if me no make it, you come down a station. He question you about when here say happen. He might come lock you up. And if him not deal with it, who else come with it then not go like me not go like it, him not go like it, and them not go like it. None of we not go like it. Me not understand. So if you know say you're involved in a hit, make me get a liar from now. Can I tell him say me have me liar, you know? Tomorrow run him out of me yard. You know say me not no liar. But tell me the truth. So you have somebody to defend you. What you do?
I don't know what you talk about, mommy.
Well, me go tell you something. The police not tell me. But me hear. Say some robbery go down. And you in there. Then where your thief? Because me sure you not can come on me yard.
Oh! Then night, mommy and me did sit down around and my grandmother and me da write my song. But you know me love the music, me need to pay attention to her and call. Me and my little cousin call me, but me never did that tree. Pay attention.
You sure?
Yes, mommy.
Where work they when they do? Let me see it.
A song me da write tonight, man.
Me want to see it. Because me and them mother will they take up the picnic when they might tell line more. Wait. So you really did sit down and write out one song?
That song me da write.
Thank you, Jesus. You know, involved in it. Put it back in your bag. If the policeman thinking bad, make him come back in my yard. And no, me seriously have to go get one liar. Make him come back. Me believe you, my son. No worry yourself. That's how wicked people stay. Love their life and people pick me. Because they want me kill you with this, but me not go lick you. Go on inside.
Alright.
You eat something already down your grandmother?
No, me not eat.
Go look at to get some teeth in our house. Alright. I can go in, never see if I can look out and see everything she eat them.
Yo, my G. Wanted. No, sir. No wanted. Me tell my mother everything a while ago. Because I don't understand how they say. Me rob shop and me sit down right eye shop. I write one song. Because you know me I take this music thing serious. So I don't know how them a say. But me want it to rob shop. No, sir. But me there just reach in still, you know. Alright, I see a word. Yeah, man.
Hello.
Fire!
Wagwan.
You need to step up now, you know, and come help me with your son. Because I don't understand how me have to stand up as mother and father. They mind pick me where you know me alone get him.
So you mean say you mind pick me alone? What about the money when I give you?
Which money you give me? Oi, hold on there. You expect that the money where you give me how much month ago me fi have it still until now, and he have to go to school, he have to sleep, he have to, you don't know say you have to bathe before you go sleep. So sheet have to wash and everything.
You know so that I see him with my left you. That you go on like your head.
Where you just say
you know so you spend money like water, like you have a money tree. That's why I have to left you and then long girl along the road because tomorrow more than you and
that's why you have to left me and go pick up young girl and go right. Yeah, me understand. But the girl where you left me for and go pick up, the three pitney them where you have, none of them are not for you. And me have for you when you not help mine. I saw your dirty man stay. Dirty man like you, I saw your own turn. Me not tell you no good night, not tell me no good night. Me call if you talk to you about your pitney where you not help mine. Me not argue with you about rain and fall and nature call. You need to stand up and mind your pitney as a man. And stop leaving for me alone and make me have to act as mama and papa.
Oh, some of that you tell the people say, you know. Because them big breed of money when me give you, you know. That is supposed to starve you, you know.
Oi, the money where you give me much months ago, that done already. Remember saying I have to go to school, me have to buy soap for him, baby, you want food to eat, and me have to wash him clothes them. You not help do nothing at all. You feel say, when you give me money one time, for 4 or 5 months, you not to give me back no more money again. No man, you need to start support your child the right way. Me not understand.
Before I make a move over there, I give you $500,000. What you do with 500,000?
You're going like I say $500,000 money.
You could have buy a supermarket with that. You know that's the same as you left you, you know.
What you say?
Because you take money, same as where I left you, man. You take money, like how dry peas in a pot take water when you boil down. Because you don't know how to save money and spend money wisely. You should invest some of that money in a something, even a Bitcoin.
You know, so I don't like talk to you because be a foolishness. I tell me $500,000 can buy supermarket. Now tell me say you give me $500,000 me should have used it by no supermarket. You see you? Me need to take you to the family court.
You could have buy. Look how you could get them take up down the road. You could get a meat shop now.
You're lucky. A bridge you take me off, you not take me off no bridge.
You are a consumer. What about a producer, a product?
You're one of the dirty man them because you left your one pitney and go and take up woman with 3 pitney. You. All you figure a family court. You see you? Me no long talking with you. Me know what me I go do. Me have it right, me know it right, me know if it go. I bet you have to start mine him. You have to start mine your pitney. You could have 1 million woman, me no care. You have to support your child. I feel your pitney. Me no want hear nothing from you. No tell me nothing. It sound like a dirty pooper go and go up the door because I don't know him and come on my yard for.
Go on, alright? Yeah. Go on, someone want to talk to your mother. Them argument you know for years. Go on and put in the headpiece and go on into music. Here? When I done, I come call you. Wait up on the phone and say, you know some big body girl in I can't walk and hear you talk.
Me not busy with your girl.
She what I doing in the vehicle.
So what that have to do with me? I'm yard, you not come, you know? Nice, huh?
If you straight up so like son about you. Have you ever told me?
As long as I know you are born
Me
me.
then tell you say go, you gonna miss me when I'm gone. I there with you. Right? And I spend money on you. And make you live luxurious. So then make myself first, you know. You did black, you know. And then you jump into the bleaching cream.
Your girl out there for a bleach, don't watch me.
But she match. She blend. She's not bleach, she's toning.
Toning.
She had toned down. But different from that though.
And that you come to talk about?
No, it's not. Where's the one to me youth now?
Me say if you stand up as a father and mind your pitney. Be a man, support your child.
I see why. You know? See there, Nike here. You want what a New York. You see it? And them sitting there want wear because you what? Gold chain pan foot. That's if you no foot eat.
Okay. So through me and your left, me fi all up myself so no other man no want see me.
Don't take the pitney money.
I know.
Listen up, you know want walk, right? Come and say no. See that gold chain. This is feel like a leather. You don't know. You see, come on about that door there, I give you one more pitney and give you a little cheese in your pocket because you know you love walking, you know. And you love fancy. But differently, where's some of my youth now? I'm in an argument today tonight because you know what I'm good on in the details with you.
Me no care where you want go down in and how deep you want go or wide. You need to support your child.
I give you money. Where did the 500,000?
Say 500,000 money, you expect me to have it until now much months ago? You look like you never the hear when me I step on the phone.
2 months ago I give you 500,000.
2 which month? After a long time, me know say you don't know date. Month not year. I can't tell me about 2 months. He have to go to school every day X out weekend. And he have to eat. You know see him big? He need more than me.
I bet you don't know shoes like them. I bet you. He don't know shoes like them there.
He can't announce because you're not.
You just do. So me know you know, you're hot girl you know. And you're hot in your old age. And me tell you don't know what hotness to the young
and
girl.
me and my ampa for him.
Listen up, and my money I spent.
When?
Straight through. Where did you have the 2,000?
Me don't have that.
100,000 a month.
You can't.
5 months you can't solve your for.
Oi, you can't expect me to have that until now. And me tell you over and over. No ask me nothing about no 500,000 again, because that's done. You need to start give me some more money for your picnic. And that me say.
I quote you one time ago?
And that me I go do. Me I go give you some more time.
Alright.
Me I go give you some more time. And if you don't support your picnic, you say if you don't reach down there. Alright.
But apart from that, what me here say we give you where you no problem or whatever? If no problem, you no problem.
But me cannot call your son and ask him why problem. Me no not talking with you.
Why,
if your woman turn out there so and hear me voice and say nothing to me, nah like it.
If jealousy was a bitch, you know what?
And a matter of fact, where they come at me yard and carry your woman come at me gate for?
Listen up, she in the vehicle and an AC. Rain and fall. Right?
So me and your son now want AC. So when he get big, me come chat about my son, that with some no man. I don't know support to no picnic away from the liquor.
You see if you don't want AC, you don't do the right thing.
So I wrong me I do. You're right. Come here. Listen.
You're too lazy.
Lazy. Me no sorry say me have my youth in.
What you know? If you never say lazy, you'd have on the AC.
Oi.
When I say good on, you want turn up. When I say set so, you want set so. You too own you have own way lazy. Tell her you know. Tell her lazy.
So me and my son fi burn up. We no want AC too. Lucky.
Same thing you say hungry.
If you want to support your picnic, you wouldn't hungry so often. Me alone can't do it.
Tax month are you just come give 500,000, you know maths?
No, me no know maths, but it done already.
25,000. per week. No judge is gonna give you 25,000 per week. Well, minimum wage is almost 9. I 7,000 minimum wage is there.
Where you try to say in front of Pitney? You give me $25,000 every week.
25,000 per week and 500,000 a 5 months. 100,000 per month. I went to maths class, you know. All your things say I
one time you give me that the money then you done already. And
all
every
your
week.
things I calculate that you're gonna tell me now and papa and let you. Because I know maths. I add 1 and 1 and 2. Get something you repeat. Anyway.
You look like you come in and stuff you can argue with me.
Anyway. Part of the house you have for me.
I for him. Where you left your so I for him. And me and you build this. You don't have nothing else against your woman out there so wait for you. Go on out to him.
When I tell you say go down to and go buy one cement to the people them and buy.
Me no matter, me and you feel much years. I feel me and
you.
you.
was a send out girl.
Yeah, man.
Anyway, go and go something to you.
Yeah.
You know what, I don't want to argue with you, man, just go something, you know. The other two bring out that side of me, you know. I'm a very humble person.
Me was a send out girl. Well, see what the send out girl give there.
Yes. So give time.
Me don't go open up and stay like you.
And not your leadership and how you are growing, I don't think you're going to stay like me, you know.
Enough to stay like you.
Alright, go and go something you see. Come on, you love cook. You can't see him principle the pan.
He name already, but if you know say you're putting in name enough, so give me money to support him. Me alone can't do it. So, I mean, I tell you go around so I'm in a place now, but carry him out of veranda, go talk to him.
No, I tell me talk to you. I talk to me say.
So, me must come out from out there.
No, go on the bus over the youth to eat.
He not going to name tonight.
Your man just stand up right in front of me right. You not move.
Me not go move.
You alright, my son? If I went no say hungry, I make the girl out of the door cook some food.
You know, I not have no time for you. Me move out town over here. You can make sure say no follow where I say kind full of lime. I pack you up a line and say nah give you nothing. Coupon from when you have them there. 3 years ago, I know you not change
but you have a Nike though.
So what?
Fresh Nike.
So me if you take money from next man.
I'm mind you to your youth. You're youth.
So I'm to you. Me do as much already I feel your time. Not chat to me, because I not even like you. I make me left you. Shame on myself. The girl out there so in I care now, no shame me soon. Come and me get her, should I just dash water upon you. Me don't want to hear nothing from you.
That's what big people quarrel when they love each other. That woman they can't do without me, you know. I still move, man. But right now, she does not know calculation. She spend money like water and it couldn't work. But that's on her papa. Right? Yeah, so where did it do?
Just hungry.
You're hungry. But him all line is up here, man. That's what you say. She don't love cook for a long time. That's why when I there most of the time, I have to go down the road, make the girl cook and then me eat and come back up here because she not cook. She don't want to go down and fast food every time and he want every fish and every bamboo on every roadside. It couldn't work out. When I give girl down to 3 grand and serve for a month, when I give her 30,000 not to one night. Because anytime you have money and like you just start one spending. 500,000 1 week. Call it a day. But anyway, anytime you pick up a woman or your mother, but don't pick up one like your mother. We spend money so you turn in a papa. You want how money you can save.
So daddy, you can give me money for go buy a song, please.
Simple mathematics. What kind of song you go do?
A song for inspire youth then.
Because what do you know? I go to call you and talk to you, you know. Because I realize that Jamaica really gone to one place, you know. It's a different people win the Grammy for dancehall. You know what I mean? So since it's a switcheroo, I go to tell you say you better start the pop music, you know. You understand? You're a genius. You can get Grammy in a pop. Because if they go on reggae and then go on with dancehall, they take one next one. Now, there's a thing against dancehall music and they want brand evil reggae music as killer music, but it's the most loved music around the world. I would consider it as one of the best music, but I think it's the people of Jamaica who really don't really appreciate like reggae part of it. You understand? The reggae take enough work to do, but when I put in so much work and you know seem appreciated, you might lose its strength. Because I remember back in my days, you know, I mean, you get the singing thing from, you know, I used to want to be an artist, you know. And when I advise my song them and I go to the station that's supposed to play reggae, them say if I don't have no cash, me not ready. Then take the CD, put it down. Oh, you know, play this week, you know. I said, and deal with I. So I have to put on that career and think about something else and still survive it. But, so when I watch the TV, I was so disappointed when different people get the Grammy. But I realized that
is the people them who should have response to help the people them build the music. It's the same one kill the music and sit around because they kill it for pocket change, you know. We all could all live out tight and we'd have more links. But if you say you really want the music, man, I'll stop you. But I got tell you say you watch what go on internationally. Because just like how Rihanna come from the Caribbean and Barbados, you can come be a national hero too. Just believe in yourself. But watch out now. You have to understand so the message in the music is very important. It's not about telling the youth them to go and chop what? Unless them go chop grass, you know what I mean, and farm. So you know, they tell them chop because when them chop and then bam and everybody get dead. Or we go there to dance. Don't dance now or keep. What's I'm saying now? Remember say if you sing say yo kill some people and the people them love the message and kill some people, you're not gonna have no stage show to go. You understand? And that's not the way I want the kids them to grow. I want them to know, say, this is the land of love. You understand? So if you sing some song, use your creativity. Because it's easy to do bad. Right? I can go down the turn and murder a million people. So easy. And make headline. But make I go and help out 1,000 people. I make no headline because the world look like they want it negative. So that's why I not hear about me because I'm just positive. No matter what mother say about me is a youth that help people. Right? So me give her the money to take care of you and she spend it on herself. It's every time she come in and defend the and the dandy and all new gears them, members of your money. She has spend. But what I go on and earn, it's like how you get bigger now, I go start give you money in one hand. Because not like you can't cook. Yeah, you have to go start cook your own food. And we have to cook some food and she get some because she don't love cook. Or you find a little girl, we can cook for you, can cook. Can come here. I'm my house, I'm building you. You carry your girl, come here. Your mother discuss it. You're straight youth. So what I say, want some grand youth. So you can breed the girl them. Right? I will mind them. Mind the kids and everything. But here what? It's school, it's very important. So if you're gonna get some old school I know. So you pre a girl the old school already then. Just old school fresh. No worry. Have a head on her body. Just feel like your mother. Go on her head. Because the amount of people are dead, get some youth. Right? Me there a road through, me and Terry. When you want to go to studio?
I want to go tomorrow.
Early man, I go buy a machine and just say get a piece of money. So you can book 1 2 hours for you. 2 hours can do?
Yes, daddy.
Me 1 and 2 links some back in the days. I go make 1 and 2 call and see if they can knock a one rhythm for you. Can get because different from that. Anything that they go and do, I line up something for you and give a rhythm. I go and do a good tune for me. I will try to link some old connection and so I can go on. Alright?
Alright, thanks.
Alright, because the people might blame the music, but it's not the music. It's the message. The music is just the music. You know how I use it and confuse it, right? So here what? I go touch the road. I'm going to call her mother because she miserable now. No man come here?
No, sir.
Make sure she no come here. I go interest to get one that sister here when I did them. I want my brother. Because she miserable that she want to keep her backside quiet. I'm gone! On the road! You know, hello to your friend out in Nigeria. Yo, let them burn it down.
Alright, daddy.